Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alasia Imani. If you're a return subscriber, hey guys, hey. So in today's video, I will be actually showing you guys how to make a graduation announcement. And I know at the end I said I was going to do a part 2 to me printing it, but I actually already did it and I already gave it to her. But if I do another one, then of course I'll do that one. I'll make sure I do that one. So anyways, if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and of course turn on your notifications, because we're shooting content all year, baby. All year, period. Anyways, enjoy this video. Bye. Okay, so like I said before, we are going to be making a custom graduation announcement for a customer, and as you can see, I did mine, obviously, and then I did my cousin's one as well, like probably like a month ago, I think. But anyway, so yeah, so she actually didn't want her like this. But I actually did really show her, you know, how to sew. But basically, she didn't take any pictures, so she wanted something slightly different, and I probably already showed you guys. If I didn't, I'll put like a screenshot, or not a screenshot, like you know, I'll put a picture of what she actually wanted and stuff like that on the screen. But yeah, so she wanted something nice, simple, easy, you know, cute, but obviously without, you know, a picture. So that's what we're doing. Now, I do want to say that these invitations or announcements, whatever you call it, I call them announcements. But with these, I do 5x7. If you want like a different size, like 4x6, or was it 8x10, I guess. You know, you can get that, but usually I do only 5x7 because to me it looks kind of professional. If that's, I don't know if that's what I'm trying to for, but yeah, it looks a bit more professional when I do that. So when you're doing like flyers or invitations or, you know, whatever, like, you know, graphics, you want to go ahead and put like all the information first. As you see, I'm kind of playing around with the different fonts because I'm trying to do it like a certain way of this little picture that I saw, and it's not really going, as you see, like it's not really going the way I want it. But anyway, so you wanna start out by putting like all the information. When is it? So like, you know, please join us for a graduation celebration in honor of her name. And then you like class of 2023. You don't really have to put class 2023, but I mean, you know, why not? And then you can put like, and then obviously you have to put the date, and then the school name and stuff like that. Like, you'll see it out in the video. Paper plane, Noah Kane, Mary Jane. Say one thing to me, take a toast, no Raising Cane. I can't lie, life's good, man, I can't complain. Walking through the hood, undoubtedly without a stain. Hopped off the porch, I'm a prodigy, they know the name. Had to run it up, let my prophecy financial gain. You ain't with me, you against me, then get out the way. Spinning on you and your feet, dancing on your brain. Shoppers like President Eve, he dressed like blood rain. I Okay, so now I am done with the graduation announcement or invitation. Call it whatever you want. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and put my watermark over it to show her the final results. And she actually ended up saying that she wanted to change the graduation logo from up top, since it already says, you know, the school name at the bottom. Okay, so now I decided to go ahead and in this video right here, because I didn't want to make it longer than it already is. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a part 2 to this video of me actually printing the invitation out, and I'll show you guys like what paper I use and stuff like that. Now you can easily go ahead and you know, go to like Walmart, FedEx, Walgreens, CVS, you know, any one of those stores and get it printed out. But I think I decided to go ahead and do it at home instead of, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then yeah, you guys see that next video. So anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell to be notified when I do upload new videos and new content, because I do have a lot to go ahead and upload. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I hope you guys are having a good day. So bye. Paper plane,